Alright guys, what is up? I'm bringing you a series called Road to Shots on Bots. As you can see in my previous video, I'm doing another series which is Shots on Bots, but it's only the shots with the kill cam. This one is me you guys are actually looking at me going for the attempts and all that. I've been inactive for like 2 years on my channel. I'm trying to be more active on it now, starting to bring different series, you know, doing thumbnails and all that bullshit. But if you guys want something different or any suggestions on anything, I would gladly appreciate it if you put it in the comments below. So yeah, let's get this series started. Stop laughing at me, woman.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your song, but could you better lead up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. Your shit out of your life. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love.
You do it for. Yeah, you do it for. You do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. Yeah. I do as I can only do me. That's all I know.